In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Shopify app subscription. If you've installed an app in your Shopify store and you're no longer using it, or you simply want to stop being charged for it, you'll need to properly cancel the subscription from your Shopify admin. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for so you don't miss anything important. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main backend area of your store where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, move your eyes to the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the settings area, you'll see a menu along the left-hand side. From this list, find the option labeled Apps and click on it. This will open a page that shows all of the apps currently installed on your store. Take a moment to review this list so you can identify the specific app whose subscription you want to cancel. When you've found the right app, click on it to open that app's information page. This page gives you more details about how the app is connected to your store. Here, you'll also be able to see the next billing date for the app. This is useful information because it tells you when you would be charged again if you decided not to cancel right away. If you're trying to avoid another charge, make sure you cancel before that next billing date. Now, to actually cancel the subscription, stay on the app information page and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Near the bottom, you'll see a red button labeled Uninstall App. This is the control you need to remove the app and stop the subscription charges. Click on the Uninstall App button. After you click it, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This pop-up will include a few reminders about what happens when you uninstall the app. In many cases, uninstalling the app will immediately stop future billing through Shopify. You may also see an optional field where you can type in a reason for uninstalling the app, such as no longer needing the features or finding an alternative. You can fill this in if you want, or leave it blank. Once you're ready, look to the bottom right corner of that pop-up and click the Uninstall button. When you confirm this, Shopify will uninstall the app from your store and effectively cancel the subscription attached to it. That's all you need to do. By following these steps, you can quickly cancel any Shopify app subscription directly from your admin dashboard and avoid unwanted charges in the future.